My husband and I dreamed of building our very own home when we first got married, and I've been married a long time. But after building up our nest egg, our dream came true. We started the process of designing and creating from scratch. We bought the land and worked with an architect to create our dream home. My husband's a contractor, so where to put the walls? Well, that was easy. It was the inside decor I was worried about, but I had a vision. I knew what I wanted, but I just wasn't sure if it was all going to fit or even look right. That's where a designer can help. The designers at La-Z-Boy took dimensions from the prints, listened to my great big vision, and created a CAD. And voila, it all came to life on a computer-generated screen. From a CAD, we were able to add in the pieces I wanted, move them around, and to my delight, not only did I learn it will fit, but we could even add in the colors and patterns I loved. You don't have to start from scratch to have the designers at La-Z-Boy help you. All you need is a space begging to be changed.
La-Z-Boy Home Furnishings and Decor has 10 Arizona locations. Visit them at lazyboy.com or Facebook/La-Z-Boy of Arizona. Follow them on Instagram at La-Z-Boy AZ and be sure and ask about their free design services.